Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use emojis in file names on Windows 10. Sometimes you need to know how can you rename a file with an emojis and you don't know how to do that. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to do that. For example, you choose one of the files. For example, this one I selected, and you want to use emojis in file name. For doing that, you should use the keyboard of your computer, and for that you should hold these buttons, the Windows button and the dot button. If you hold to this button, you can see the emojis that you can use it. For example, I want to use this emoji, and after that you should just enter. And as you can see, I rename this file with emojis. And thank you for watching us, and please subscribe our channel. Goodbye. Thank you.